Today is Tuesday, December the 10th, and really it was a nothing day in terms of where the market went. Advancers and decliners were pretty much flat, but the stock market breadth, which, let's see, had actually come down very close to the zero line, will come now even closer to the zero line, but not quite. So it's certainly not a good sign. The market is waiting for the China tariffs. That would be December 15th. So that's, 5 days from now, which could mean we just don't do anything until December the 15th unless some other announcement comes out. So let's just take a quick look at the charts because not a lot happened. We are still, I'm going to take the SMI off. Well, I'll keep it on. But we are still in this mirrored wedge here, still above the 8 EMA, nothing happening there. Apple was off to a good start, and I actually took a little bit of a position. I bought long vertical. I bought the February 270, 275 call vertical for $2.43. So my maximum exposure is about $1,000. And the risk to reward is about 1 to 1 there. But we had this very, it looked like it was going to do very well. It was up to, it didn't quite make its previous closing high. But let's take a look at the volume, low volume. Caterpillar, I rolled some short 135 calls that were going to expire at the end of this month into the January monthly and picked up another $1.18 in credit. So that's just like collecting a dividend every month if I just keep rolling these 135s. And if the stock does pull back to 135, I'm golden. And a dividend may be declared in December or January. I forget when is the next dividend date, but it's a nice dividend stock. But the stock is just continuing here in this little flag pattern here, but we could look and we should look at the stochastic momentum indicators, which showed downward trending long term, but still some short-term movement up before the downward is going to start. So I'm okay with that. I'm in it for the downward phase. Home Depot, I also took a position in Home Depot, which started the day off fairly well and then pulled back just below the 8 EMA on low volume. But this is a stock that'll do well if the tariffs are postponed or if there's a phase 1 deal with China. I also think they're going to do well in the Christmas period, but I only bought 3 verticals, the January 220, 225s for $1.58. So that's a 1-to-1 ratio win risk to lose as well, as I recall. WDC up, Whirlpool down, Amazon still down, lost the cloud, Chikuspan going down, very low volume. So in other words, not much to talk about today. Let's keep this video short because it was really a nothing day. But I'm preserving my capital and I'm minimizing my risk, but I'm exposing myself a little bit with call verticals for Apple and Home Depot today.